Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about my favorite GoPro accessory, the three-way extension pole. So when I was researching online, looking for, GoPro accessories for new people, a lot of YouTubers recommended the official GoPro three-way extension pole. But when I went online and I checked the price, it was $100 Canadian. And I thought that, man, that's really expensive. There's got to be a cheaper, Chinese knockoff brand. And yes, this one is made by TELESIN and it's $20. So a quarter the price of the official. So does it perform just as well as the official one? Well, I actually think it performs a little bit better because it offers more features. So what I really like about this extension pole is that you can bend it in many different angles. You can bend it in such a way where you don't see the arm when you're doing a selfie shot with the camera. So it kind of feels like you have someone filming you, someone like kind of floating behind you or in front of you, filming you as you walk. So that's really cool. You don't get like the selfie stick in the shot.
Okay, so now we're in a pretty cool spot over here. Very nice clear water.
Another thing is kind of like a follow cam. So let's say I'm filming skateboarding or snowboarding and I want to film my friend. I can have it set up like this in such a way where you simply just follow them, and it's a lot easier to track someone using this main grip rather than just holding that small camera in your hands trying to follow someone. So this extension pole obviously can stretch out to be a little bit longer if you want to get a longer reach. Very versatile.
What do you think of this?
And as for the size of this extension pole, it's about the same size as the official GoPro extension pole. However, this isn't very long. So if you're looking for a super wide shot, this may not be perfect for you in that situation. But I mean, it can't be much longer, otherwise it wouldn't be as compact. Just a quick tip when you're using this, make sure when you screw it to your camera, make sure you don't put it on the metal side. You actually want to screw it from this side here, so where there's no metal, just plastic hole, and kind of get it in. And be careful, because I kind of chipped my main camera case by not putting it through the right hole correctly. And by putting it on this side, you actually squeeze the plastic so that it has a firm grip on the camera, so your camera doesn't like shake or move when you're doing some action. So definitely put the screw in the correct way as it's meant. Same applies to the bottom pieces over here. Now, one negative is that when I was doing my vlog and I was filming with this, I was kind of walking on snow and there were vibrations and the audio was picking that up, and it was really annoying. Imagine if your audience is listening to just like constant like kind of sound while you're talking. It can be very annoying. So what I recommend is to make sure that the connections are tight, so on every joint, so that you don't hear the vibration, or at least the vibration is minimized. So be careful with that. That's kind of like one little downside using this three-way extension pole versus like regular pole.
And yeah, it comes down compact here, has a tripod in here. Now the tripod is really light, it's very plasticky. I kind of wish they used like a heavier metal, or sorry, a heavier plastic. So this feels really kind of cheap, but still, if you're using it indoors and or outdoors and there's no wind and no one's gonna knock it over, it does the job. So when I was buying this online, I was looking at the Amazon reviews, and a lot of reviewers say that this doesn't float. And no, it doesn't float if you have the whole extension pole, or obviously have stuff inside here like the tripod. I believe it only floats if this is attached to the main camera and that's it, nothing inside. You remove the tripod and it works. I mean, I've tested it in my little bathtub. So I like that it comes with an included lanyard, and the grip feels really kind of rubbery. So, better for non-slip. Overall, I really like this so far for $20, pretty good value. And this here, 3 accessories in one, I think this is perfect for traveling. You don't have to carry a whole bag of accessories. This will fit in your carry-on, so pretty good. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments down below if you have any, and I'll see you in the next video.